How can you add realistic erosion to Roblox terrain? Imagine transforming your Roblox worlds so they look like they've been shaped by nature over thousands of years. Today, I'm going to show you how to add realistic erosion effects to your Roblox terrain. This process makes your landscapes more believable and visually appealing. Whether you are building a mountain range, river valley, or a worn-down canyon, understanding erosion can take your game to the next level. First, let's talk about Roblox Studio's built-in terrain editing tools. Roblox terrain is made up of tiny cubes called voxels, which you can modify to create different landscapes. To start, open Roblox Studio and go to the Terrain tab. Here, you will find the Erode tool. This tool allows you to click and drag over the terrain to remove material smoothly. You can change the brush size to cover small or large areas, and adjust the strength to control how much material is removed with each stroke. For example, a larger brush with high strength can quickly carve out a riverbed or a valley. Using this tool manually gives you control over where erosion happens, and you can make features look natural by gradually eroding the terrain. For more advanced effects, Roblox offers scripting functions like Terrain Erode and Terrain Grow. These are used in scripts to automate erosion or growth over specific regions. Terrain Erode takes parameters such as the region, number of iterations, and material type. It slowly removes the specified material from the region over multiple steps, simulating how water or wind would erode the land over time. Terrain Grow does the opposite, adding material to simulate grass spreading or land buildup. You can set these functions to run during gameplay, making your terrain change dynamically based on player actions or environmental conditions. Combining erosion with other terrain modification techniques can give you even more realistic results. For example, you can use Terrain Fill Ball or Terrain Fill Block to add hills or flatten areas, then apply erosion to shape them naturally. Selecting specific regions and eroding them gradually helps create features like riverbanks, worn-down cliffs, or mountain passes. You can also manually smooth the terrain afterward to blend eroded areas into the surrounding landscape. Let's look at some practical uses. Eroding a mountain to create a winding river valley is a common technique. First, carve out the valley with the Erode tool or Terrain Erode function. Then, fill the bottom with water to make a river. Erosion can also help you craft caves or tunnels by eroding inside mountains or hills. Flattening land for building sites is another application, where you erode bumps and uneven spots to prepare a smooth surface. To make your terrain look more natural, use gradual erosion with multiple passes. Avoid sharp edges by eroding slowly and blending the results with terrain smoothing tools. Layering erosion effects, starting broad and then adding small details manually, can give your landscape a more authentic look. Remember, experimenting with different brush sizes, strengths, and scripting parameters will help you find the best look for your project. By combining Roblox Studio's tools and scripting functions thoughtfully, you can create landscapes that feel alive and real. Whether you want a gentle rolling hill or a rugged mountain range, understanding how to simulate erosion is a key step in building immersive worlds. Keep practicing, and your terrain will become a natural part of your game environment.